Hello, this is Angelica from Secret DIY, and today we're going to be making this baby leopard seal. Let's get started. First you want to start with some white clay and then make it into this kind of teardrop shape with your hands, like that. Now use your fingers to slightly curve up the pointy end to make the tail shape. You want to make sure the belly is nice and round so that it looks cuter. Use the handle of a brush or any tool, as long as it's nice and round. Use that to kind of curve the tail, just so that it is more curved up and there's more circle shape. Now make 2 tiny balls of white clay and then make them into some of the teardrop shapes. Then stick them together and use your fingers to blend them on so that they're nice and secure. And then you got the tail. Now take your little tail and then put it onto the very tip of the main body. You can blend it on with a needle tool, silicone tool, or just your fingers. To make the snout or the mouth area, take some more white, roll it into a ball, and then make it into a little column. Then gently press it down to make it become a rectangular-ish dome, so that the bottom is nice and flat and the top is curved. Now place that on your seal. Like so. For the eyes, make 2 indents with a dotting tool where you want the eyes to go. Black clay to stick into the indents that you just made for the pupils. Now take a tiny itty bitty strand of black and shape it into a U. Then place it on the snout where the mouth would go. Make another one so that it looks even cuter. Just for extra cuteness, you can make a little nose with a tiny piece of black right on the very tip of the mouth where the nose should go. And a dotting tool. Take some black and then put it onto your charm at random. I usually like to start on the very top and then slowly move my way until the whole thing is covered. And then you'll be ready for the next step. So let me just open this and then pour some in here. Like that. Then I'm going to take my charm and I'm going to start by only glazing the top with a brush. You want to make sure the brush is very clean, because if it has any kind of paint in it, it's gonna ruin it, and yeah. Anyway, take some of that resin and then coat it a thin layer on the top. And then just place your charm underneath the UV light. It can also be just the sunlight. Put some more resin. This time I'm gonna put it on the face, since last time it wasn't coated. And make sure you put a little more than usual on the mouth, since that will be very fragile and you don't want it to fall off. The same process all over the body until everything is nicely glazed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and in the meantime, bye. Be sure to check out my Etsy shop if you want to buy this charm.